Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but now let's take a look at Chainlink. What's happening with Chainlink right now? Chainlink is making some massive moves across the cryptocurrency markets, and of course that is due to the announcement that came out a few days back, but we're going to take a look at what is really next for Chainlink. If we're looking at the markets today on the daily time frame, we're seeing majority of the cryptocurrency projects in the top 100 coins in green, and Chainlink is one of the top gainers on the daily time frame, up 5.7% on the last 24 hours in USD comparative. And if we're looking at it on the weekly time frame, it's up 12.8%, and that is not a surprise to any one of us, especially if you did watch my last Chainlink update. I discussed that we could be seeing Chainlink making some moves in the upcoming days, and so far we're seeing that really coming true. So if we're looking at the price, it's $7.47 as of September 25th, and it's up 5.6% as mentioned in USD comparative. It's also up 6.3% in Bitcoin and 5.7% in Ethereum comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $4.16 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume approaching that $300 million mark. But now let's take a look at if there's any sort of news that has come out and where the price of Chainlink could be headed. Of course, as we do go further into the month of September, we're still about 5 days, until this month of September comes to an end. And where could the price of Chainlink really be headed into Q4 of 2023? So Chainlink came out and posted this today. It says using a single centralized cloud provider as a core part of cross-chain system puts users at serious risk. Chainlink CCIP is built with level 5 cross-chain security, providing industry standard infrastructures to enable trillions to flow across the on-chain economy. And this use case is revolutionary, and that is why people are getting really excited. If you guys want to deep dive into this, I would strongly encourage you guys to go read this article that has come out from Chainlink. It is quite informative, especially if you hold some Chainlink. And I really liked this tweet from Chainlink Pop. He says, besides of all the countless other services Chainlink offers, DCCC and Swift both confirmed their collaboration with Chainlink, and it's mainly because of CCIP. This is the real main news, which is causing the price to really move towards the upside, and excitement is once again coming into Chainlink. And it says the 54th largest bank in the world, called CCIP, revolutionary. Fees for the use of CCIP will be converted to Link. So there is a demand for Chainlink for this. They will need to be purchasing some Link. So this is why people are getting quite excited. And as far as the price is concerned, the price is making some moves towards the upside. But before we get into the price, just a quick disclaimer, as always, that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at the bigger picture, of course, if we're looking at its previous all-time high, which was last May, 2 Mays ago, basically 2 years ago, the all-time high was $53, and from that all-time high, if we were to see how far it has retraced towards the downside, it's down still about 85.8%. So if we're looking at Chainlink right now, you can probably see there's not much excitement within the price. So you might be saying, why are you so pumped up? Why are people so excited? The Swift collaboration and DTCC collaboration, why is the price not pumping? Let's look at the shorter time frame, because this of course is the bigger time frame. We're still in the consolidation phase. If I were to zoom in now, you will be able to see something totally different. So this is one of the very few charts, as mentioned in my previous update as well. This is one of the very few coins that has pretty much been consolidating within this range. You haven't really seen the price of Chainlink go anywhere else. It's been ranging within this place, and you can see right now for yourself where we're going as of now is very important. As you can see, the price of Chainlink is facing massive levels of resistance right now, and if we are able to break out of this resistance, we're about to retest the $8.12 resistance for the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 11, basically 11 or 12th time. This would be the 12th time for us to retest that range. And if it's able to break out of there, then of course that $9.38. And since we've broken below that level of support back in May of 2022 last year, you can see we try to break out of that $9.41 only 3 different times. And pretty much for this entire year, we haven't seen at all the price breaking above that $8.77. So you can really see how important this move really could be for Chainlink. We could potentially be seeing Chainlink breaking out of this consolidation phase. And once it breaks out into the consolidation phase, that's where I think FOMO will kick in. So we're looking at basically anywhere above this $9.40 mark. I think if it's able to break out into here, it's going straight up to $12.39. So that would be my next target that I would be looking out for Chainlink if it's able to break out of that range. And that is a move of another 67.4%. So, I think that could be something that could be coming ahead of us, maybe possibly even before the year of 2023 comes to an end, because guys, this news is revolutionary and a lot of people are excited, more eyes on Chainlink than ever. And of course, that is going to bring in some hype, and that is already what's happening. If we're looking at Bitcoin is at $26,342. Bitcoin is holding quite well, but still not in the safe zone. Of course, the safe zone is the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. We still need to see the price of Bitcoin in the 61.8 Fib level in order for us to be in the safe zone. So right now, Bitcoin is not in the safe zone. We did see Michael Saylor come out today and say that he has purchased Bitcoin. MicroStrategy has purchased massive amounts of Bitcoins, but we haven't seen the market react in a positive way. Reason why that's the case is because, of course, due to that news, people would expect that the prices are about to pump, but whales will come and manipulate the markets, and that's exactly what I think is happening. If we're looking at dominance did see a little bit of a retracement, with the overall index currently sitting below 50%, which is the main reason as to why we're seeing majority of the altcoins outpacing Bitcoin right now. So that is the overall, take on Chainlink right now. The charts are looking definitely bullish, especially while the markets are not, extremely bullish to say the least, of course, because like I said, just a minor green across the board, 1 to 2%, but we're seeing Chainlink really be one of those coins that are the top performers on the daily time frame. It is the top performer. You can see this for yourself. It's up 5.6%, and in the top 100 coins, Chainlink is outpacing everything right now. And on the weekly time frame, it's also one of the top gainers. So that is really exciting. Of course, we were projecting this move happening, and it's not surprising me at all. Like I said, the next few days could be very, very important. We're about to retest once again the $8.12 mark for literally like the 14th time. If it's able to break out of there, then I think things could start looking exciting. But that is it for today's update. I will give you guys more updates if you need. Let me know in the comment section. But with that said, I will see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.